missed Maghrib for a legitimate reason. What are the legitimate reason? He forgot. He was so engaged in work. Maybe he took his father or mother to hospital and Maghrib was called and he said, Khalas, inshallah, as the minute I find a place to pray, I'll pray. And checking with the doctors, receptions, x-rays, he forgot. And he remembered only when the iqamah of Isha was due. Or he overslept. This happens. These are all legitimate reasons: forgetfulness or sleep. So he says, I come to the masjid, I haven't prayed my Maghrib, and they are praying Isha. What should I do? The answer is, it's an issue of dispute. Scholars say that the most authentic opinion is that the order of prayers is important and needed. So it has to be Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. You cannot skip one over the other or proceed one over the other, except in very rare cases. For example, the sun is about to set, and I woke up not praying Fajr, Dhuhr, and Asr. So 3 of them were missed due to sleep. I was in total coma-like sleep. So what should I pray? If I pray Fajr, then Dhuhr, then Asr, the sun would have set and I would have missed Asr from being prayed on time. Scholars say no, if the time is too tight, pray Asr because it is present and it's not Qada. And afterwards you pray Fajr and Dhuhr. But in your case now, Isha is there and the Isha time is extended. You can pray after 2-3 hours, no problem. In this case, they say you have to pray Maghrib. How to do that? Join the Imam. Pray the first rak'ah with him, the second rak'ah with him. The third rak'ah, when he stands up for his fourth, you remain seated in the tashahhud position, because this is your third and last rak'ah. Either you complete your tashahhud and salat ala nabi and offer salam and stand up to join him in his fourth rak'ah of Isha to be your first in Isha. That would be a win-win. Or you remain sitting down until he finishes his fourth rak'ah. He sits for tashahhud, he offers salam, and you offer salam with him. This is your Maghrib. Then you stand up and pray your Isha on your own.